Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer. So this crossed out icon means that the timer is off, so we have to tap on it in order to show the options. After tapping once, we can set 3 seconds delay, again 10 seconds delay, and then crossed out again. So we've got like 3 different timer options. So let me set 10 seconds delay, and after tapping on the shutter button you can see that from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. Alright, and of course you can turn it off just by setting the timer on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.